Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is an equipment maintenance log. Let's jump right into it. What is an equipment maintenance log? An equipment maintenance log is a vital tool for tracking and documenting the upkeep of machinery and equipment in various industries. It serves as a detailed record that captures maintenance activities, repairs, inspections, and any associated work to ensure optimal performance and longevity of equipment. Why is an equipment maintenance log important? Preventive maintenance. Equipment requires regular checks to avoid wear and tear. A maintenance log helps to stay on top of preventive maintenance schedules, ensuring that machines are serviced before issues arise. Cost efficiency. Timely maintenance reduces the risk of costly repairs or replacements. By logging every maintenance activity, companies can track patterns and identify areas where costs can be reduced through regular upkeep. Compliance. Many industries have regulations regarding equipment maintenance. A maintenance log ensures that the necessary inspections and repairs are documented, helping to meet compliance and safety standards. Equipment longevity. A well-maintained machine lasts longer. Logging regular maintenance helps to monitor the condition of equipment, extending its usable life and protecting the investment made in it. Improve productivity. Well-maintained equipment works more efficiently. Logs help reduce unexpected breakdowns, ensuring machines are always in good working condition, minimizing disruptions in operations. Components of an equipment maintenance log. An effective log should contain essential information that makes tracking and analysis simple and efficient. Date of service. The exact date when maintenance was performed. Equipment information. A description of the equipment, including model, serial number, and location. Description of work. Details of what was done, whether it was routine service, part replacement, or an emergency repair. Parts used. List of any replacement parts or consumables. Service provider. Name of the technician or company responsible for the maintenance work. Next maintenance date. A reminder for when the next service is due. Digital versus paper maintenance logs. In the past, maintenance logs were often kept on paper. However, modern organizations are transitioning to digital logs that offer several advantages. Easy access. Digital logs can be accessed and updated in real time from anywhere. Automated alerts. Many software solutions can provide automated alerts for upcoming maintenance, ensuring that nothing is missed. Data analysis. Digital logs allow for better analysis, helping organizations to identify trends, predict failures, and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for maintaining an equipment maintenance log. Consistency. Ensure that every maintenance activity, no matter how minor, is recorded consistently. Detail-oriented. Provide specific details about the type of maintenance, the condition of the equipment, and any additional comments. Use of technology. Leverage software to automate reminders and store historical data, which can help in forecasting and optimizing equipment usage. Regular review. Periodically review logs to spot patterns and identify equipment that may need replacement or increased attention. Conclusion. An equipment maintenance log is more than just a record-keeping tool. It is a critical component in ensuring the efficiency, safety, and longevity of machinery. By keeping detailed logs, companies can save costs, maintain productivity, and comply with industry standards. Whether using paper or digital logs, the key to success lies in maintaining accuracy, consistency, and thoroughness in documenting every aspect of equipment maintenance. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.